Namaste students, I am JVN Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program Food and Biotechnology, third trimester, session, example of pure substance. Now we discuss examples of pure substance. In chemistry, a pure substance in a material with a constant composition, in other words, it is a homogeneous no matter when you sample it. A pure substance consists entirely of one types of atom or component. It is participate in a chemical reaction. Examples of pure substance. The best examples of pure substance are pure elements or molecules and these compounds. These compounds are, for examples, hydrogen gas, gold metal, sugar, sucrose, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, ammonia, diamond, copper wire, silicon, copper sulfate, ethanol या pure green alcohol. Some people consider any homogeneous mixture or allow it to be an example of pure substance. These examples does not consist of one types of atom or compound. These examples does not consist of one types of atom or compound, but they have a uniform structure. Ideally, that these types of pure substance needed to be free of a free or impurities. Honey, air, vegetable oil, brass, stainless steel, tap wire, rubbing alcohol. The green gray area of the pure substance. Examples of impure substance. Some specimens are clear examples of impure substance. Mixture of sand and salt, concrete, clock, automobile, a cake, and different flowers. How to identify the pure substance? How to identify the pure substance? Two only way to known as a certain if a example is a pure substance, it is to perform a chemical analysis. However, there are others clause that can be help you make to determination. It is a crystalline. Crystalline are the typical and relativity pure substance. Crystalline are the typical and relativity of the pure substance. A pure substance is usually all order colors. The expansion if the expansion is f any matters and usual optical properties such that is the reflected and refracted lights. A pure substance has the same appearance and properties no matter where you sample it. If you migratory the matter, it should be appears that some everywhere it is the composition. The expansion is when matter exists in multiple phase, that is the melting ice. If you can write the element symbols or chemical formula for a samples, it is the pure substance. ओके तो ये हो गए प्योर सब्सटेंस एंड इनप्योर सब्सटेंस के कुछ एग्जांपल्स एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस. ओके.